Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is required, and simply for checking you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you'll decide to download the update if it is available, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi so we can avoid some additional charges, as the file packages which are associated with the updates are quite large. Alright, so we've got it discussed, so now we can open the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down and find the system, and here we've got the option System Update, so just tap on it. Now, your device will basically check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. So the first one, where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, you will have proper information shown on the screen. And the second scenario is right here, where the system needs to be updated because the update is available. Your device will show you all of the information about the update, so what has been fixed, what has been added. As you can see, in my case, it is the AI-powered speech-to-text feature, etc. I think that this text was also generated by the AI. I mean, it looks like it. And now you can check how big the update is, etc. So all you need to do now is to tap on download and install and let your device do its work, basically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.